Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 8 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. To do it, open Settings application, scroll down and choose About Device Selection. In it, we tap on our version and there we have our build number. We must tap sometimes on that to activate our develop mode because we need it to see our available storage. After we press 5 times or 7, enter your look screen to confirm it, and now we are developing. In develop mode we can go back and choose additional settings where we have new option, developer option. In it, first memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.